Hi everyone. Today I want to tell you that if you're banned in Fortnite, don't worry. You don't need to buy a new motherboard. We have a solution for you. Undetect X is here to help you remove your ban and get back to playing Fortnite again. If you need more information about our Spoofer, our team is available 24/7 to support you and help you out. Just check out our Discord. The link is in the bio. Now, let's jump into the video so you can see all the steps and how our Spoofer works.